Okay, Nazis. Ich stehe vor der Tür.
Pardon?
Ja, wir sind an der Reichweiten.
Advancing to waypoint.
Engines ready.
Let's move. Go.
Okay, Buben. Sturmangriff.
Let's move.
Über Römer.
Advancing to waypoint. Who is it over there? Under fire! And fire! Eliminate them! We're under attack!
Was ist das da?
Someone's shooting at us!
Okay.
Let's move! Under fire! Move
Ja,
it!
rund.
Under fire!
Ja, Mann, wir haben sie, oder wir?
Go!
Oh Gott, oh Mann, schön. Ich warte, das war schon.
Move it! Go! Enemy spotted! Cover! Okay,
Da kriegen wir jetzt Unterstützung, geil.
that's a go! Where's Rana? Everything's
Yeah.
going according to plan.
Second Lieutenant
Under
Wilson,
fire! Yes, sir.
the German panzers are grouping east of the village and probably planning to re-attack.
We're under
Launch a
attack!
counterattack before they're ready to fight and destroy them.
Sir, yes, sir. Where's Rana? My men are excellent soldiers.
Ja, bitte, wer wird beschossen, gell? Von wem war es gar nicht, gell? Wir meistens.
On our way. Go on. Let's move. That's our go.
We're on the move.
Freunde, Rückzug.
What's the objective, Commander?
Warte mal, da bleiben.
Go!
Zurück ins Panzerglied.
They're coming in from above.
Ja, gut. Was sind Kleinigkeiten?
Under fire. Yeah? Okay. Vehicle reporting. Go. That's a go. Engines ready. I'm ready.
Ja, Buben, fahrt mal auf Seiten da.
Vehicle reporting.
Ja, der Schlamassel da, ha?
What's the order?
Wenn er gerade mal packen dat. So, wie schaut denn aus?
Yes? Okay. Go on, move. On my way. Waiting for
Junge,
orders. Order confirmed.
da geht gerade fit.
Orders understood.
What's up? Here we go.
Da hat der Lenk drüber geschossen.
A new order is due soon. Yes, yes.
Und ihr da, hä? Braucht der keine Heilung. Hört das?
That's a go. Go.
Okay, Leute, dann werde ich mal da mal angreifen. Das meine ich kann ein bisschen hässlich werden. Aber mit vereinten Kräften schaffen wir das schon.
Engines ready. All right. Yes, sir.
Pass auf,
Vehicle reported.
meine Panzertruppe.
Okay. Here we go then.
Engines ready.
What's the order? Let's start.
Ja Mann, der hat Chance davon. Trau dich noch. Ja, pass auf, die Stängern. Da erinnert.
Yes, sir.
What's next?
Ja, sieh du.
Here we go again.
Bleibst du mit da.
Orders? Start the motor.
Pass auf, meine Bombenangriffe, ja, die brauche ich gar nicht. Wenn, dann brauche ich den Jagdbomber.
They won't spot me there.
Aber, der Sniper, wie schaut denn aus? Deine Augen brauche ich. Ah, hier du, hä?
Orders? So, how are we getting on?
Oh Gott,
What's the
Sam Astel.
objective, Commander?
Sniper at your service.
So, wie schaut denn aus? Endlich da, oder?
I can watch him from over there. They won't spot me there.
Ja, pass auf. Gerade mal schauen, wo
I'm
die
looking
sind.
for a new hideout.
Misserten? Da drin sitzen, oder? Ungefähr.
They won't spot me there.
Destroy them all! Start the motor.
Was ist das, Sniper? Darf gleich rosen. Oh, oh.
I'm looking for a new hideout.
Sie
I'm
kommen.
looking for a new hideout.
Attack! They're attacking us! Target adjusted! Okay, the engine's gonna blow! They're shooting at us! That's a go! What's the objective, Commander? Waiting for order. The engine's gonna blow! They're shooting at us! Attack! Orders?
We're on fire.
Fire! The engine's gonna blow!
Ja, Buben.
Vehicle reported.
War doch nicht die beste Idee.
Oh, you found me.
What's the objective, Commander?
Let's get a little bit closer.
Let's move. Fire! I'm hit! Charge! Charge! We're under attack!
Ja, han er væk.
Move it!
Let's get a little bit closer.
Who's that over there? We're hit. What's the objective, Commander?
Åh Gott. Det Problem ist, dass sie sich immer gegenseitig blockieren. Die Deppen.
They're attacking us! They're attacking us! This battlefield will make you longer! Under fire! And fire!
Ja, Mann.
Oh, you found me.
Das Problem ist,
What's the order? I need a
der
new
meisten
order.
einsteckt, steht immer hinten, gell?
Yes,
Blöderweise.
I need a new order. My men are excellent soldiers. We're under attack.
Das Sniper geht mir
you.
flatten.
You don't see me.
Advancing to waypoint. Targeting. Yeah? What's the objective, Commander? We're under attack!
I can watch him from over there.
Charge! What's next? Go! They're shooting at us! We're hit. Fire! God, they hit us hard.
Wird das.
Over here! Waiting for orders.
Scheiße. Blöde Sau.
Someone's shooting at us. We'll get you. We're under attack. Attack! We're under attack.
Mann, der Victor.
Waiting for orders. We're hit. Yeah? Under fire! Vehicle reporting. Target adjusted. Charge!
Wird er vorne noch.
Go! They're shooting at us!
Alter. Ja, Tobi, wir haben verloren. 2 Stück, oder?
Where's Rana?
Ja, gut.
Orders?
Pardon?
Come on!
I can watch him from over there.
Ja, schau her mal. Gib mir einmal der hier.
Okay,
Irgendwann einmal, gell?
all right.
What's your order?
Ja, Ladies.
Move on,
Schleicht euch.
comrades!
What's the order?
Ja, pass auf. Kurz mit Tom
Waiting
flicken.
for orders.
Dann schauen wir da um mich.
Yes. What's next? What's the objective, Commander?
Ja, jetzt hab ich noch 5 Panzer, gell? So, wir wollen mal.
Okay, yes, sir.
Oh, you found me.
Ja, pass auf, Sniper.
I can watch him from over there.
Eigentlich kann ich noch meine restlichen Bomben hauen.
Yes. Let's start.
Go!
Go. Okay.
And go!
I see you.
Ladies,
You
haben wir
don't
da.
see me. I can watch him from over there.
Let's move. Let's start. Let's go.
Snapper at your service. Oh, they found him. I can watch him from over there.
We're
Ja, so
under
mir klappt das.
attack.
Das zündelt doch.
Let's drive. Charge! Under fire! And go!
Wie schaut denn aus?
I can watch him from over there.
Okay.
Wird da was geboten? Nicht, oder?
Move it.
Waiting for orders.
I see you. You don't see me.
Warte, meine Bazooka schützen.
Go!
Die sollten am besten auch noch mitmischen.
Orders? Okay. Order confirmed.
I can watch him from over there.
Let's start. Okay. Here we go again.
Come on, move!
Freunde von mir. Geht rund.
I'm looking for a new hideout.
Jetzt mal schauen, wo die sitzen.
I'm looking for a new hideout. They won't spot me there. They won't spot me there. I'm looking for a new hideout. Let's get a little bit closer.
Pass auf, so sind's. Einhüten.
I see you. You don't see me.
Engines ready.
Good time. And go!
In Stellung.
I'm hit. Attack!
Oh, you found me.
Sniper in Deckung. Wird
Good
jetzt.
time.
We're under attack! Enemy spotted! Come on! Enemy down!
Scheiße, jeder Tipp.
Fire!
We've lost blood.
Targeting! Fire! Fire!
Wie schaut aus? Schießen die mal.
Over here! What's the order?
Scheiße.
They're attacking us!
They've got their sights on us.
Fire!
Open fire!
I see you. You don't see me.
Under fire!
Eliminate them! Someone shooting
Ja,
at
so,
us!
wie klappt das? Schütteln oder wie?
Okay! Attack!
They're shooting at us!
Go and get 'em! Targeting!
Was auch, der verhaut's auch noch. Der bescheuert.
On we go!
Hold on, just a little longer.
Ja, pass auf.
Let me through. I'm a medic.
Ja, Bum, die Verluste waren fatal schön. Ich hab nichts mehr. Da hab ich gerade 2 Panzer.
Start the motor.
Move! On we go.
Ja, Tobi, du, das war's einmal. Da mach ich die Krise da.
What's your order? Yes? Here we go.
Who needs my help?
Under fire!
Warte,
Yes, sir.
so müttert.
Let's move.
Mein Flip ist auch schön.
Who's injured? I'll help you. Who's injured?
What's up?
Move! Yes, sir. Move on, comrades. Waiting for orders. Okay, let's move it.
Oh, schau, dieser. Da ist ein Panzer.
And go! Move! On we go!
Aber ja, ich hab keine Besatzung. Scheiße.
Move it!
What's your order? What's it?
Yes.
Yes?
Move on, comrades!
What's the objective, Commander?
Who's injured? What happened? I'll help you. Who needs my help?
About bloody time. Thank you.
Headquarters, Captain Wilson here. We have secured the area and crushed the Krauts.
You have carried out excellent work.
Let me
I
through.
would like to acknowledge
I'm a
your
medic.
performance.
Thank you, sir. Was the imprisoned German
Ja, Mann,
colonel
haben wir
able
sie
to
tätowiert?
serve you with useful information?
Also, the colonel managed to get away.
Damn.
Okay, Leute. Nach Ewigkeiten. Aber wir haben's.